Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today, we will demonstrate how to set a watermark in Microsoft Excel on Windows 11 using Curtain MonGuard. Setup is simple. This is the Curtain Light Administrator. Administrators can flexibly choose the applications that need to display watermarks and configure the settings here. First, let's define the content of the screen watermark. Click File in the upper left corner, then Settings, and select Screen Watermark. Check Enable Text Watermark. Here, you can edit the watermark color, font, and other styles. You can also choose to display information such as the date, time, computer name, username, and IP address. Click OK. After setting the screen watermark content, we need to create a policy group and select the applications that need to display the watermark. A policy group has already been created here. Right-click the policy group, select Properties, and choose Screen Watermark. After checking Enable Screen Watermark, select Application Screen Watermark and click the Application button. In the list of open applications, double-click to open Microsoft Excel, select Screen Watermark, and click the OK button to complete the policy setting. Finally, assign users to the specified policy group. For example, let me assign myself to this control policy group. We can see that Microsoft Excel opened on the desktop successfully displays the screen watermark. The watermark content is exactly what we just edited. In comparison, I now open a Word file, and it does not have a watermark. Because we only selected Microsoft Excel earlier, so the watermark will not appear in other applications. Currently, Curtain MonGuard can support watermarks for more than 500 applications. If you have needs, you can use the same steps to set watermarks for other applications individually or simultaneously. Or contact us directly for support. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.